In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create product payment links in GoHighLevel. Payment links are a simple way to let customers pay for a specific product without building a full checkout page. Before we start, make sure your payment processor is connected in GoHighLevel and that you've already set up the product you want to sell. With that in place, let's walk through the flow together. First, from your GoHighLevel dashboard, open the Payments section. This is your hub for anything related to products, invoices, and transactions. We're focusing on payment links, so once you're in Payments, look for the Payment Links area. This is where all of your existing links live, and where you'll create new ones. Next, choose Create Link. This opens the builder for a brand new payment link. Think of this as a lightweight checkout that you can share directly with a customer, embed in an email, or drop into a message. The key is selecting the correct product, so in the product selector, pick the one you want customers to purchase. If you have multiple versions or pricing options for that product, be sure to choose the exact one you want tied to this link to avoid confusion later. Now add the buyer details. Enter the full name and email address of the customer. This isn't just for the receipt. It helps GoHighLevel associate the payment with the right contact, keeps your CRM tidy, and ensures purchase confirmations go to the correct inbox. Double-check spelling here. Clean data saves headaches down the line. When everything looks good, click Pay. This step runs through the checkout flow with the product and customer information you just set. It's a great way to confirm that the link works as expected and that the purchase experience is smooth. If you're demonstrating the process or validating the setup, take a moment to confirm the totals, product name, and customer details before proceeding. That's it. You've created a product payment link using the Payments area, moved into Payment Links, started a new link, selected your product, added the customer's full name and email, and finalized the process by clicking Pay. A couple of quick tips as you use this. Keep product names clear and specific so customers immediately recognize what they're buying, and always verify the right price is attached to the link you're creating. Small checks like these help prevent support requests and refunds. Follow these steps each time you need a fast, reliable way to collect payment for a specific offer, and you'll streamline your checkout process inside GoHighLevel.